bartender can.
Hello everyone, Mike, this one. You're in Mission Bay today. Yo, you Mission Bay, man. We just got live bait. I got you up in. Now we're heading out. See y'all, man. We are here in La Jolla Kelp Bed. Tell you La Jolla Kelp Bed, we're trolling very slowly. Keep us aside. A lot of boats out here. You know me.นี่เด้อเป็นไงLa Jollaเพื่อนเศรษฐีทั้งภูนี่ There you go, big guy. That's La Jolla. A lot of rich people up there in the mountains. Look, everyone. Dolphins. ผมเห็นทุกคนปลาโลมา Very cool, huh? คักเนาะ Woohoo! Wow, beautiful. Wow, ngam. Huh? That's dolphin, yeah. That's the dolphins. They're fish. Technically. Wow, look at everyone. Come on, let's go. Fish on, baby. What is it? What is it? Oh, minyang. Keep banking. They said it might be swimming toward us. Maybe a big barracuda. Oh, I see some color. Is it? That's what I thought. Little barracuda. Little cuda with big teeth. Yep, there's another one. Another cuda. That's his slime, yeah. The teeth. Ooh, that's crazy. Fish on, baby. Don't let it escape. We're grilling right now. Being, Noni. Pork ribs and chicken. Okay, what is it? Minyang. Calico. Oh, another pretty one. Gotta let it go, fireman. Let it go. Let it go. It went. Yeah, get it, Kallen. Get it. Your rod tip up. Oh, it got two fish on it. Oh, scoop back. Wow, two fish. Look at that. Song pa,ทุกคน What the heck? Scoop back. Whoa. No wonder it felt so hard. Oh, those are fatties too. บอกเกาะคักบ่เกาะคู่ฮะกันเบ็ด reels rods and reels big fishing boat เรือตึกเบ็ดใหญ่ oh no just talking on camera new seaport fish on what is it เป็นยังเห็นบอลบิ๊กใหญ่สีบิ๊กใหญ่woohoo Calico fatty oh I got a bite oh had a bite it might be legal